Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Well, guys, sometimes IELTS results are surprising, rather shocking. Exactly. Because when you are looking at a certain band score or when you set a target to achieve and you really become irritated when in one module you get less than your desired band. This is what happened with one of my students from UAE. Actually, he was looking for a 777 band. But what happened, in fact, he achieved 8.5 band in listening, 8 band in reading, 7 band in writing, but unfortunately, they gave him 6.5 in speaking. Now see, getting 7 band in writing is a hard nut to crack. And there are certain controversies about speaking and writing band score, where people believe that examiners or exam centers or whoever, they deliberately give you half band less than your desired band. So he had achieved 7 band in writing, which was literally a very hard nut to crack, but they gave him 6.5 in speaking. And he had seen one of my inquiry on results videos, like you are watching this video. So he applied for inquiry on results, and now you can see his inquiry on results letter. In the letter, he applied EOR on 2 modules. One was writing and the other was speaking. And let me tell you, EOR does not work on listening and reading. Never apply EOR on listening and reading because your money will be wasted. Yes, sir. You have to pay money to apply for EOR, and the amount is same. The amount is same whether you apply EOR on 1 module or all 4 modules. So that is why it's a good idea to apply EOR on all 4 modules. One of my students who had achieved 9 in listening, when I said apply EOR on all 4 modules, he said, sir, I already got 9 in listening, so if I apply EOR, will they make it 10 band? That's funny, huh? So anyways, after EOR, his speaking band increased from 6.5 to 7, and actually he got his dream band score, or we call it magic band score, 8,777, and now he can apply for Canadian immigration, and soon he is going to send me a selfie from there. Now the purpose of making this video is to aware you. Sometimes you repeatedly take test after test after test after test, and many students don't even know what EOR is. Ever since I made my first video on EOR, now students know, and every day I receive messages from the students, half band increased, 1 band increased. Okay, so you can just consider in writing and speaking, if you achieve less than your desired band and you think you are capable of getting higher band. Now, for example, in speaking, if they give you 5.5 and you know my English is not that bad and your requirement is minimum 6, you should go for that. Okay. So this is what's going on. I wanted to tell you. Now, I don't want to blame anyone. I don't know who is doing, but there is someone who is behind all these things. We will find that someone soon as well. All the best. I also teach IELTS online. If you want to join my online IELTS classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub truly wishes you best of luck. Take care. Allah Hafiz.